In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Freshsales. We'll start by getting leads into your system quickly. You can add a single lead manually using Quick Add for those one-off conversations you don't want to forget. If you're moving over from another tool or spreadsheet, import a CSV and map your columns to the right fields so everything lands where it should. And to keep your pipeline full without extra work, set up automatic capture through your email or a web form, so new inquiries become leads as they come in. Before you import, it helps to clean your CSV, remove duplicates, and make sure names, emails, and phone numbers are formatted consistently for better results. As you begin qualifying leads, convert the ones that show real interest into contacts, and, if appropriate, create a deal at the same time. This keeps your sales process organized from the start. Freshsales can auto-enrich profiles when data is available, pulling in details like email, phone, or social profiles. It's a good idea to glance over the enrichment to confirm accuracy, especially if you're preparing for a call. Next, manage your people and opportunities with the Contacts or Leads tab. Here, you can view, filter, search, and sort based on what matters most, such as lead score, when you last reached out, or which records have open deals. Using filters to surface your hottest leads or those you haven't contacted recently helps you prioritize your day and prevents follow-ups from slipping through the cracks. When you're ready to create a deal, open the related contact, click Add Deal, then enter the deal name, value, current stage, and link it to the right account or contact. Save it, and you'll have a clear place to track progress. Choose descriptive names, set realistic values, and keep the stage updated so your pipeline reflects reality and your forecasts make sense. To save time and stay consistent, set up workflows. Define the trigger, add conditions, and choose actions. For example, you can automatically send a welcome email when a new lead is added, or assign a task when a deal moves to a new stage. Start with simple automations, test them, and expand as you see what works. Finally, document your work. For each contact or deal, log calls, add notes, schedule follow-ups or meetings, and review the full history in one place. Use analytics to spot trends, track activity, and understand what's moving deals forward. Above all, communicate clearly and stay organized to get the most from Freshsales.